Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to transform your hair from a hot mess to a lock goddess. So basically I've been wearing this hair for about 3 or 4 weeks, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess now. You can see my hair coming through the twist. I don't want to remove it just yet, but I also don't want to walk around with it looking like this. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I upgrade my hair. Right guys, so to show you how it's done, or how I'm doing it, I've already started some, but I'm going to show you first of all what you need, or the hair that I'm using. For the curly ends, you can use any curly end that you want, any curly hair that you want, wavy hair that you want. I chose to go with this one. It just looks like so. So I've cut it in half. And then for the top of the hair, to wrap the hair, we've got this hair, which is just plain old synthetic hair. This is actually £1. Yeah, £1. And the reason I use this and not the Marley hair or the Marley hair or the Afro Kiki is because I wanted it to have a shine to the finish, and you won't get that with the Afro Kinky hair, obviously, because it looks more like our hair, which is a rough sort of. So I use that. You could use human hair if you wanted to have it like the celebrities, but I ain't about that life. £1 is fine. It does what I want it to do. So yeah, that for £1. Let me go ahead and show you how I get it done. So I'll just do a couple for you here on camera. So I got my curly hair, and I'll take a bit. It all depends on you how thick you want your ends to be. This is my thickness that I chose. So this is my old stale braid. I'm gonna use a lot. I can't remember what it's called, you know. This, I'm gonna use this. Y'all know what it is, that crochet thingy needle. And what I do is go through the braid, latch on, close the latch, and pull it through. Now because it has to be in the end, you want it to be longer than the hair itself, so I'm just going to pull it that way and make sure that it's longer than the hair itself, than the bit I'm wrapping, which it is. Okay, then I'll take that braid, which I didn't cut, I've just got it in full length. I'll take a bit of hair, about this much. I'm gonna take and put it to the length of just maybe a little shorter, just so it can add volume to that bit that I'm wrapping, but I don't want it showing at the end of the hair. Go ahead and wrap the hair. You're just wrapping. So I've hold the curly hair, then the braid, and I'm wrapping. And what I do, because I'm twisting the hair, it tends to get tighter and tighter on your scalp, and you can pull your edges off, and we don't want that. So I just take a bobby pin and I put it through the hair. So when I twist it that way, the bobby pin presses on my scalp and stops it from twisting more and more, and hopefully doesn't pull off my edges, because I need those. And you just continue wrapping. You wrap, See, you're just wrapping. It's all about just wrapping all the way down to the very end of the hair. I'm going to speed this up because it might take a little while for you to sit there watching me wrapping when you get the idea. So I'll speed it up. Slowing it down now because I've gotten to the end. Now when you get to the end of the braid, not the curly hair because you want to leave that loose, the braid, the twist braid, but I've got loads of hair left. You could cut it off, but then you end up with straight ends and then it doesn't wrap properly, stick down properly. So what I do is I'll go to the very end, like so. And then I come back up on myself. So you just reverse twist, and now you're twisting up towards your scalp. It might sound difficult, but it's pretty easy once you try it. See? So I'm back up. And now the ends are very nicely layered out, so it's easier to wrap around. And then I get a bit of super glue, just some more good old super glue, and I put a bit on the end of that. I've got loads of fray hair, like I've got hair. You could leave it, or you could burn it, just to make it look a bit more neat. But just bear in mind, when you do burn the hair, it will stick and pull on your clothes. Cotton, knitwear, so be careful if you're going to burn your ends. It will stick on your clothes quite a lot, or stick together as well in the very end. So you could just like so, and make sure smooth it out. Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Et voila! Guys, please excuse my face because like I've just come from a night shift. No, I lie. I came from a night shift at 8. I got home at about 9ish. It is now 8:22. That's my sexy husband. It is now 8:22 p.m. and I haven't slept. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now and finish this off tomorrow morning. But yeah, all this to say, excuse my face. Excuse my face. Alright, excuse my face. Can a girl be natural for a minute? Alright. Alright. And so that's what you're ending up with. And obviously don't forget to take the hairpin out and then untwist it just a little bit, just so it's not super tight on your scalp, because you don't want to pull your hair out. You don't want traction alopecia. But I'll show you a couple more on video, quick time, and then I'll come back in the end with the finished results. See you in a bit. So guys, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to upgrade your hair without having to take them out and put them back again, this is definitely your solution. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.